In this video, I'm going to show you how to send notification from Firebase console. So the first thing you have to do here inside your console, you want to click on the project you actually want to use. So I'm going to click on this Firebase app over here. And then in here, you want to go into run. And then here you can see messaging. So just click on messaging. And then here you can just go ahead and click on create your first campaign to actually start sending your notifications. When you do that, you can select the message type and platform. I'm just going to do Firebase notification messages and click on create. When you do this here, the first thing you have to do is set the notification title. I'm just going to name it test for now, and then the text is going to be test as well. And you can also send this test message over here if you want to right away. And then here, if you actually want to add in a notification image, which is optional, you could also drop this image over here, or you could also give it a name if you want to. So I'm going to leave this blank, click on next. Then you want to set your target. You could do the user segment over here. So here it's going to say target user if app. And then here you're going to do Firebase app, and then you could basically go ahead and set a few different ones if you want to, or you could just do a message topic here if you want to do just that. Then click on next, and then here you can do scheduling, so you can basically set when you want to send this. So you can do now, or you can schedule it for a later date, or you could of course make it recurring if you want to, either daily or custom. And then in here you can click next, and then you have additional options which are optional, and these are basically different things you can do. You can add in Android notification channel if you want to, and if you have the Android notification channel ID, you could also add in custom data like the keys and values, stuff like that. We could do, like, for example, item and then 1 2 3, so whatever you want to do here. And then you can also enable or disable sound, and then you can select it to expire in how many weeks, days, hours, or minutes. And then you can just click on review, and then if everything looks good over here, you can just click on publish, and you will successfully send notification from Firebase console. So that's how to do it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.